Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel German with Julia. In this video I'm going to teach you how to greet and how to say goodbye to people in German language. Now before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that subscribe button for more weekly videos and teachings with me. Now let's begin. In my last video I talked about the formal and informal way in German language. So when you greet somebody, you have to differentiate between those two ways. In formal and informal way, and throughout the day, you can use a greetings hallo. Hallo. Repeat after me. Hallo. Hallo. For example, if you are in a supermarket, if you're just on the street asking for directions, or you can't find certain things, or if you're in a post office, or any questions you have in daily life, you can just greet a person, even if you don't know that person, by saying hallo. Hallo. And of course, also you can say hallo to your friends and family. Just simple hallo. You don't need to put a name. You can put a name, for example, hallo Frau Schmidt, hallo Peter, hallo Herr Müller. That's about it. So you can always use hallo, formal and informal way. But now let's look at the time throughout the day, because we have other expressions how to greet people in a formal way. Between 6 and 10 o'clock in the morning, we say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. You see, you write morgen, but you don't say the R. You say morgen. Guten Morgen. Between 10 and 6, 7, 8, until it gets dark, we say Guten Tag. Guten Tag, which means good day. Guten Tag. You can use names every time you say a greeting if you want. Guten Tag, Frau Schmidt. Guten Tag, Julia. Guten Tag, Herr Müller. But you don't have to. Just Guten Tag throughout the day is completely fine. This is a formal way of greeting a person. For example, if you work in a company and you're meeting a boss, or you have an interview with people that you don't know. Guten Tag. Guten Abend, you can say between 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock before you go to bed, something like that. Guten Abend means good evening. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. And then before you go to bed, you can say Gute Nacht, good night, Gute Nacht. So let me just recap all the greetings options we talked about. So between 6 and 10 a.m. you can say Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen is very formal way, polite way. Between 10 o'clock and 6, 7, 8 you can say throughout the day Guten Tag. Very formal way. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. And then evening time, when it gets dark from 6 o'clock, depends on the country you are, 6, 7, 8, before you go to bed, you can say Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Good evening. And then before you go to bed, you say Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Good night. Now let's talk about the goodbyes. So there are various ways of saying goodbye to people depending on the formal and informal way. Let me start it very simple. So if it's a friend or family member, people you know very well, we say Tschüss. Tschüss. Or you can also say Tschü. But people say Tschüss. Tschüss. It's a short form like Hallo. Tschüss. Then the formal way of saying goodbye to a person, we say Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Basically, it means auf is something like on, and Wiedersehen, to see you again. So the whole thing, we just say Auf Wiedersehen. Whole word is Auf Wiedersehen. And then, of course, if you say, an option you also have, if you say Tschüss, Auf Wiedersehen, you can also add simple words to tell a person when you're gonna see that person again. So you have options here too. For example, bis morgen. Bis morgen. See you tomorrow. Auf Wiedersehen, bis morgen. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Or, bis später. Bis später. See you later. Tschüss, bis später. Bye, see you later. Or another option is bis bald. Bis bald. See you soon. Auf Wiedersehen, bis bald. You see, you can always combine the word of saying goodbye to a person with either see you later, see you tomorrow, see you soon. You can add those words after saying goodbyes, but you don't have to. For example, Auf Wiedersehen, bis später. Auf Wiedersehen, bis später. Tschüss, bis morgen. Tschüss, bis morgen. Und tschüss, bis bald. Tschüss, bis bald. Oder Auf Wiedersehen, bis bald. And one more word for this video is Auf Wiedersehen, bis Montag. For example, it's Friday evening and you're going home from office. And then you would say to your colleagues, Tschüss, bis Montag. Tschüss, bis Montag. Bye, see you on Monday. See you on Monday. Tschüss, bis Montag. Now let us recap just the goodbyes which we learned here. You have formal and informal way to say goodbye to a person. So the informal way is Tschüss. Tschüss. And the formal way is Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Now, depending on the formal, informal way, you can add, if you like, to that word, either saying Tschüss, bis morgen. Tschüss, bis morgen means bye, see you tomorrow. Tschüss, bis morgen. Or formal way, you would use Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen, bis später. Auf Wiedersehen, bis später. Bye, see you later. Or let's just take again informal way. Tschüss, bis Montag. Tschüss, bis Montag. Bye, see you on Monday. Or tschüss, bis später. For example, you're meeting somebody later on in an hour or 2 hours. Tschüss. Okay, thanks for watching my video. I hope everything is understood and clear. If you have any questions, put your comments below and don't forget to click that subscribe button for more videos with me. And I see you soon. Tschüss. Tschüss.